Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where old, forgotten, and worn-out pieces get a second chance to shine. If you love the magic of transformation, creative upcycling, and turning simple materials into stunning home decor, you're in the right place. Here at Kuki Decor, we believe that beauty doesn't have to be expensive. That scratched table, faded cabinet, or rusty frame isn't trash, it's hidden potential waiting to be reimagined. Every day, we share inspiring furniture makeovers, eco-friendly decor ideas, and creative DIY projects that prove you can create high-end style on a budget. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with your first makeover, or someone who already loves working with wood and reclaimed materials, our videos are designed to inspire, guide, and motivate you. Our mission is simple: transform ordinary into extraordinary. From rustic charm to modern luxury, from damage to designer, we show you practical techniques and creative ideas that you can apply in your own home. Upcycling not only saves money, it supports sustainable living and reduces waste, helping you design a home that's both beautiful and responsible. If you enjoy daily decor inspiration, satisfying before and after transformations, and smart ways to refresh your space, make sure you're part of our growing creative community. There is something incredibly satisfying about taking a tired, scratched, faded piece of furniture and transforming it into something that looks like it belongs in a luxury showroom. That's exactly what Faded to Fabulous, transforming worn-out furniture into luxury home decor, is all about. So many people walk past old chairs, chipped cabinets, outdated dresses, and worn tables thinking they've reached the end of their life. In reality, they are simply waiting for a second chance. The beauty of upcycling worn-out furniture lies in its ability to transform something overlooked into something extraordinary. What many people see as damaged, outdated, or unusable often holds incredible hidden potential. Scratches, dents, chipped paint, and faded finishes are not flaws to discard, but features that tell a story and create character. Upcycling is about vision, the ability to look beyond surface imperfections and imagine what a piece can become with creativity, patience, and care. Instead of contributing to waste and landfill overflow, upcycling gives furniture a second life, proving that sustainability and style can exist together beautifully. One of the most powerful aspects of upcycling is the freedom it offers. You are not limited to the original design or finish. A dull wooden dresser can become a sleek modern statement with a matte black finish. An outdated coffee table can transform into a rustic centerpiece with natural staining and subtle distressing. Old cabinets can be refreshed with elegant hardware upgrades that instantly elevate their appearance. Each decision, from sanding and painting to staining and sealing, adds layers of personality and intention. The final result is often far more meaningful than a store-bought piece, because it reflects your creativity and effort. Upcycling also allows for customization that mass-produced furniture simply cannot offer. You can choose colors that perfectly match your space, finishes that complement your decor style, and details that enhance the overall design of your home. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern minimalism, farmhouse warmth, or contemporary luxury, worn-out furniture can be adapted to suit your vision. This adaptability makes upcycling not just a practical solution, but a design opportunity. Beyond aesthetics, there is an emotional satisfaction that comes from restoring something old. Repairing a loose leg, smoothing a rough surface, or applying the final protective coat creates a sense of accomplishment. Watching a faded piece regain richness and depth feels rewarding in a way those buying new furniture never quite matches. Each restored item becomes a symbol of creativity, resourcefulness, and mindful living. Upcycling is also empowering. Instead of spending large amounts on high-end decor, you can achieve a luxury look at a fraction of the cost. Small investments in quality paint, tools, and hardware can completely redefine a piece. The transformation often surprises people, especially when they realize the original condition of the furniture. Ultimately, the beauty of upcycling worn-out furniture is found in transformation, not just of the furniture itself, but of perspective. It teaches us to value potential over perfection, creativity over consumption, and sustainability over waste. With imagination and effort, even the most faded piece can become a stunning focal point that adds warmth, character, and luxury to any home. If you're enjoying this transformation so far, take a quick second to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We post daily furniture makeover and home decor inspiration to help you turn ordinary pieces into luxury statements. Your support helps us keep creating. The process begins with careful assessment. Tightening loose joints, repairing cracks, reinforcing weak areas, and preparing surfaces properly creates a strong foundation. Once sanding removes the old finish, the true character of the piece often reveals itself. Hidden wood grain, sturdy frames, and solid craftsmanship suddenly reappear. Choosing the right finish is where transformation truly happens. Deep matte black creates modern sophistication. Soft neutrals offer timeless elegance. Rich walnut stains add warmth and depth. Layering techniques such as subtle distressing, glazing, or metallic accents elevate a simple piece into a custom-looking statement. Swapping outdated handles for sleek brass or matte black hardware instantly adds a designer touch. Upholstered furniture offers even more creative freedom. Replacing worn fabric with textured linen, buccal, or velvet can completely redefine a chair or bench. Blending rustic textures with modern lines creates that coveted high-end rustic modern balance. A reclaimed wood table paired with minimalist legs suddenly feels curated and intentional. Before we continue, comment below and tell us, would you restore this piece with paint, stain, or a natural finish? We love hearing your ideas. And don't forget to share this video with someone who loves DIY furniture makeovers. Beyond beauty, this transformation supports sustainable living. Upcycling reduces waste and limits the demand for mass-produced furniture. Instead of contributing to landfills, you extend the life of quality materials. There is deeper value in restoring something thoughtfully rather than buying new. Lighting and styling complete the look. Warm lighting enhances finishes and highlights texture. Minimal decor, LED textiles, ceramics, and greenery help showcase the piece without overwhelming it. Luxury home decor often relies on balance and restraint. The journey from faded to fabulous is more than a makeover. It's about redefining value, embracing creativity, and proving that high-end style can be achieved on a budget. With patience, preparation, and attention to detail, even the most worn-out furniture can become a stunning focal point. If you love furniture makeovers, DIY luxury home decor, sustainable design ideas, and creative upcycling projects, subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily transformation videos, expert furniture restoration tips, and budget-friendly decor inspiration that turns worn-out furniture into high-end designer-style masterpieces.